Want a natural fix for heart issues and high blood sugar? Meet Berberine, a powerhouse phytonutrient with incredible health benefits. Berberine is a potent anti-arrhythmic agent that helps regulate your heart's rhythm, lowers blood pressure, and even reduces the risk of heart attacks. Got an infection causing diarrhea? Berberine acts as a natural antibiotic, knocking out those infections fast. Boost your immune system and fight off infections with ease. Struggling with high blood sugar? Berberine can help manage diabetes by lowering blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. Too much caffeine? Berberine can counteract its effects, keeping you calm and steady. And that's not all. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory combating conditions like arthritis and tendinitis. Curious to learn more? Dive into the research and discover how Berberine can transform your health. Like, share, and follow for more health tips.